All right, how's everybody doing today? Jonathan from Jon Ford Woodworks here, and it is time to announce the winner of the free T-Track giveaway. So, if you happen to catch the workbench video I put out a few weeks ago and commented on it, then your name is in this bowl for a chance to win this 8 feet of Rockler T-Track. If I could, I would love to send everybody that has watched that video and commented some T-Track, because all of y'all have been supporting me and this channel since the beginning, and I can't thank y'all all enough. So while I'm happy that somebody's going to win it, believe me, if I could, I'd send all of y'all some T-Track. Without further ado though, I wanted to make this quick, so I am going to randomly pull a name out of this bowl, and that will be our winner. And we have Mr. David Thompson. David Thompson, you, my friend, have just won yourself some T-Track. It's like hitting the lottery. I know. Not really. But at least the lottery of T-Track. Anyway, Mr. David, you are the winner, so I will shoot you a reply to your original comment, providing you with my email address. That way you can reach out to me directly and privately. Again, thank you to everybody that's been supporting me in this channel. I can't thank y'all enough. I do these giveaways as a way of paying it forward. That's the ultimate reason. So, yeah, thank y'all. Everybody have a great, safe Memorial Day weekend, and I appreciate y'all watching. Bye.